I have this grapevine pumpkin that I picked up at Hobby Lobby for $12.99 with 40% off. The black cardboard I picked up at the dollar store, and I cut it in the same shape as the grapevine frame. And now I had this sweater that had a hole in it, so I decided to use it for my project. And I began by cutting out the back. Laying the sweater on my cardboard and using Surebond out of my glue gun, I glued the sweater to the cardboard. I was concentrating on making sure the glue was hitting all the edges of the cardboard to ensure that my sweater would not start to unravel. Then I took a scissor and trimmed off all the excess sweater. Now I'm just going around and making sure the entire edge has the glue right to the tip. Placing the grapevine frame back on top of the sweater. I'm using floral wire by grabbing the top of the pumpkin and coming down to the bottom of the pumpkin around the back and tying the floral wire tightly. And I did this on the left and the right side of the back side. I know it's hard to see the floral wire because it's very tiny and thin. And then I did the same thing going from left to right on the back. And this was holding down my cardboard. And then I went around and made sure that any excess board that was hanging over was trimmed off. So once everything was secure, I found this spray at Hobby Lobby. I believe it was $4.99 with 40% off, and I grabbed 2. And I placed one on each side of the bottom portion of the pumpkin wreath. And then I used zip ties to tie both of the floral sprays down. You can get the zip ties right at the dollar store. And there you go. Now you have a cute wreath made out of a sweater. Thank you so much for watching. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. Thank you.